Alright, in this part we're going to be mapping the rest of the disk. We got to map the data disk, the log disk, the distributed coordinator disk. We already mapped the quorum, so basically we're going to go to the server like this, right click on A, we're going to go to edit. We're going to go to add hard disk. Next, we want to use the raw disk mapping because this is the first time we're going to use it. So we know that our data drive is going to be a 120 disk. Next, we want to store the RDM inside the RDM LUN. Next, we want to make it a physical compatibility. We're going to put this on SCSI 1.1. Next, finish. Okay. Alright, there's our D drive. We got to go in Windows and still identify it, but we can do that in a minute. Let's go ahead and add our log drive while we're here. Add hard drive. We want to use raw disk mapping as well because it's the first one. Our log drive is a 50 gig one. So next, store this with the RDM. And the reason I'm storing this with the RDM and selecting RDM for this one is because this is the first node that's mapping to the raw disk mappings. If it was a second node, then we would specify the location of the RDM file. So I'm going to select another SCSI controller, 1-2, finish, okay. And now we're going to do our Microsoft Distributed Transaction Coordinator drive. Don't really know what it means. It's a SQL thing. So I just know I have to map it. This is the raw disk mapping. It's a 1 gig file. It only stores like 5 megs or something like that. So next, physical, nope, we're not hitting next. We're going to actually store it on 1-3. Okay. Next, finish. Okay. So now we got to go to our second server. We're going to go to edit settings. We're going to add a hard drive. And this time we're going to use an existing virtual disk. The data store is going to be where you store the RDM files of the first server that we mapped to it. So, and as you can see, here's the folder that it created. And you're going to see all of our stores in here. It should be 4 disk, 4 RDM files, which is raw disk mappings to the association with the LUNs. Yep, as you can see. So we already got our quorum. We're going to go ahead and do our 120 gig for our data. Yes, yes. You got to give it the same connection. Hard disk 1. Next, finish. Okay. And then you're pretty much going to do this the rest of the way down. It's very critical that you get the drive placements and the right SCSI controller, because if you don't, then you're going to have some corruption. So like I know that I did my data drive second, and I mapped it to 1.1. I'm doing my log drive third, and I'm mapping it to 1.2, I believe. I have notes, so I will. So I say cat A. Wait for it to come up. Log drive 50. Okay. Next, select my, which is 1.2. Yes. Finish. Okay. And then we're going to do our last one. Wait for it to create it. Wait for it to create it. And edit. And then we're going to go to add hard disk. Next. Use a virtual disk. Select the RDM location. Pretty repetitive. Especially when you have so many disks. And we're going to select our last one. Okay, next. This is going to be 1-3, I believe. Yes. Next. Finish. Okay. So just really quick, we're going to double check the settings. We want to make sure this is physical. Physical, 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 physical. Good. Let's go back over here, check the settings. Physical, 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 physical. Good. Good, 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 good. Alrighty. Thank you.